Hello my dear viewers and beautiful subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Latest Fashion. How are you dear friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. So guys, today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of high heels for women. High heels are not just a fashion statement, they are a symbol of confidence and empowerment. Let's start with the different types of high heels. First up, we have pumps, which are classic and old style. They have a closed toe and a lock at front, making them perfect for both formal and casual options. My dear friends, today my video topic about most stylish and beautiful graceful collection of Stiletto high heels pumps for women. This type of collection especially for women who loves to wear such type of high heels collection. You can get some beautiful and latest ideas from my video, so be sure to watch my video till the end and get more ideas about new trending fashion. So guys, if you like this collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. So if you want to buy these latest collection of beautiful high heel sandals, then I will tell you the best websites from here. You can buy these beautiful collection of latest high heels. So friends, before telling you the best websites, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest ideas about fashion. So now I will tell you the best websites from here. You can buy these latest collection of high heels online. So you can buy these websites: Amazon.com, AliExpress.com and eBay.com. I always try to be useful videos and content for you. Don't forget to like my video and give me your valuable feedback and what else you want to see about fashion. So my dear friends, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Latest Fashion. After watching my video, if you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Latest Fashion, and share my video with friends, family members and all social media accounts. And don't forget to press the bell icon. So now goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new and latest collection of high heel sandals collection, all 2023 and 2024. So thanks for watching my video. Hello my dear viewers and beautiful subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Latest Fashion. How are you dear friends? I hope